How to make decorative wagon wheels. Wagon wheels add a rustic appeal to a flower garden or home interior. When used inside the home, a wagon wheel is an eye-catching accent piece and guests will be fascinated by the charm it adds. Wheels were once discarded as being old and useless, but as it is often said, one man's trash is another man's treasure. Things you will need: 2D rings, picture hooks, wall anchor, 6 wrought iron hooks, garland, ornaments, plant, hat and coat hanger. Attach 2D ring hangers to the back of the wheel and midway between the top and middle of the wheel. Use 2 wall anchors for added support if a stud is not accessible. Screw 6 wrought iron hooks into the outside of the wheel. Space the hooks around the frame for a symmetrical look. Mount the wheel to the wall in an entrance or an office. Use to hang coats and hats quickly or decorate with Western wear, such as a Stetson hat or lady's bonnet. Decorate the wheel with garland and ornaments for a seasonal wreath. Garden decor. Bury a portion of the bottom half of the wheel or attach a support board to the back of the wheel and bury it about 2 feet into the ground. Plant a trailing vine beside the wheel or use a potted plant. You can train a rose bush or sweet pea to wrap around the spokes of the wheel. Set the wheel in a rock garden or balance against a wall as another option. Plant creeping phlox around the rocks and the wheel to blend color and rustic charm.